Well, here we are on the first lane of the day, out of Chirk after extremely heavy rain last night. So everything will be bloody horrible today. At least it's stopped now. Whoa, there's a big holes appearing there. There's a Land Rover track that says, yeah, I think it's Land Rover tracks here. Whoa. I mustn't get carried away. Otherwise I'll get carried away. My medics. I hate this lane. I really hate it. But to get going on the route, you've got to do it. I shouldn't really be put off by a little lane like this. I can always stop halfway through, which I probably will do just before I get to some rocks. I've got Jim right at my tail, I can hear. So it can quickly pull me out of trouble. There you are, this is where I usually have a rest. I think I'm alright today. Yes, there's definitely a Land Rover bin up here. I think I'm in second gear. Okay. Do you mean to say I'm going to do this without stopping today? Well, I think I might. Well, I'm fitter than I thought I was. Even though on the way here, I thought I could have done with pulling into a lay-by and going to sleep. Oh, it's Ben.
Hey.
Oh, there he is. Been a lot of traffic.
Hey.
Seen a lot of Land Rover use.
Yeah.
Must have had a rally at the weekend.
Right.
Sorry?
And cyclists.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you're full. Let's get myself sorted. That's better. I've certainly seen a lot of use. The lanes, a couple of lanes that we've done so far, they've all been used by four-wheel drives. As you can see. Oh. And us. Oh dear. I'm okay doing ruts like this in the summer, but not in the wet. Oh. Says he, continuing in one. But you're better off riding the Land Rover track. Well, some of the time. Oh, we're back in a rut again. Silly me. Let's go in that rut instead. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh well. Oh, where's the puddle gone? There's a great big puddle there. Normally. There you are. You're smiling. That's it. Yeah, only a little puddle. Oh dear, I've got to go through that. I daren't switch lanes. There's something loose here. I feel it. I can hear it flapping about. I don't know what it is. No, I think I'll go over the other side today now. Yeah, I thought there'd be a lot of water here. Forget it. Yeah, this is oh, it's nice of Jim to wait for me. Oh, good fun. There used to be a huge great puddle just around this corner, and it's still there. Don't fall off, Jim. Oh, Jim, hey? Oh. First gear. was trying to go round it up the bank. Like hell I was.
I like to show off.
I don't think I meant to.
Hey, this is the one you were talking about.
No. No.
Much closer to my body.
This one will be fun. It's slippery the best of times. Okay, well, that's done lots of use. Little bumpy bits like that cause the problem, huh? Oh, they've mowed it, haven't they? Oh, come on, I don't want to go in there. I want to stay on the grass. Oh, it's a bit of a rut there. Well, it's not as bad as I thought it'd be. Oh, sliding about there. I bet Jim would find it'd be tricky because his front tyres, very little left of it. Yeah, that's a bit going sideways. Oh well. Oh. Not as bad as I thought it would be. Was it? Wasn't as bad as I thought it would be.
You had a nice slide there.
Yeah, towards the end, yeah. Oh, there'll be lots of puddles down here. We're almost run out of time. So I've cut short our visit to Finance Lane. It's coming down here instead. Yeah, but I've never done this one this way around. There's a big, yeah, here we are. I knew there's a big puddle somewhere. I'm sticking to this rut. I'm going faster than I wanted to. No, I can't avoid it. I mean, bit of tarmac here. And another little bit there. I'll clean the mud off the tyres. Otherwise I'm going to figure out how to get back. Go on, little bird. I've chosen the wrong side of the lane. Well, we came down this one this morning. We got back up again. This isn't what I planned of doing at all today, but time's run out on me. This will warm us up again. We've just done a lot of road work to get here, so this will maybe warm us up a bit. I don't come up this fast in the summer, let alone in the winter. With all the slippery stones and leaves, and a tyre which has seen better days, put it that way. Oh, my eyes keep watering as well. Oh, that sheep here again. He's still in the wrong field. All his mates have gone. He's supposed to be in this field on the left. So the farmer will find he's lost. Oh, they're down the bottom of the field, so. Not these though.